Well, hi everybody, it's Rick here from eLearning Complete. Today we're going to be selling a little bit of a snippet of code which allows you to hide the intro message on your quizzes. Now this will also work if you're using our quiz embed for LearnDash and you want to hide the content on any of your topic or lesson pages when the start quiz has been checked or has been clicked on. So let's have a look and see how this works. We're going to look at this little intro message here. Now, because this quiz has been embedded directly onto the actual lesson page, we're going to have a look here quickly at the edit lesson. Let's go to the quiz. And there we are. And now we can see now I'm a big fan of Gutenberg. I think it just keeps things just clean and simple. And yeah, we're having a classic. And now some of you might not use Gutenberg and you'll use the classic editor, the regular classic editor. And yeah, I'm using a classic editor block, which is very similar. And you'll probably have like a text option here, which you then can click to go into the code. And let's have a look and see if I go into edit visually. You can see we've just added this little piece of code, the div and the class ELC intro, and then it ends at the end of this paragraph. And the great thing about putting it around a div is that you can actually make a copy of this. And let me just do a Control C, and let's just for the sake of this, just push in and enter, Control V. So anything that is wrapped around this div class will be hidden. So let's just, for fun, let's just update this. Okay, and let's go and have a look and see that lesson page. So remember, we only had it once here, so let's just reload this. And now we've got the two paragraphs. Now this is specifically coming from the quiz page. And let's see what happens when the moment we click the start quiz, you'll see that both of these message boxes will disappear, and then I'm left with only the question. So let's have a look, start quiz, and you see both those paragraphs were removed, and now I can go and do the quiz. Now, if you're using the quiz embed, you might want to be able to actually hide all this other information as well. So let's have a look and see how that works. And if I go to the lesson page, you'll see there's the video, there's that little bit of info text, and another paragraph. So let me just click, I'll go to the block navigator, I'm going to click on group, and I've put this video or the classic block within a group, just so that I can get to see the additional CSS class. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just type in ELC, and there we are. And then I'm going to type in the word intro. Okay, I'm going to copy this so I don't have to go and paste it again. And let's say, for example, I now want to hide this little bit of this code, the bit of text on the page as well. So then I'll go in. Let me just paste that little bit of code, ELC intro, and I'm going to do the same thing with this block over here. And I'm going to paste, and there we are. It's now hidden. Well, not hidden yet, but we've just added the CSS class instead of going in the other way like we did over here, where we had to go and paste in a code. And yeah, I've got more control. So let me just update this. Now, do you remember when we started this quiz? Guess what happened? We only saw only the two paragraphs were hidden. So let's just now reload this lesson page. And now we're going to click start, and you'll see that everything on this page will be hidden, and the only thing we're left with is the quiz. And there we are. All we're left with is the quiz. It's just kept the page nice and clean and simple. Now, for anybody that is using our quiz embed plugin or H5P plugins, let me rephrase. For anybody that has purchased any one of our plugins, you will get this snippet of code for free. All you need to do is just send us a message, and we'll then send you a link to a coupon, which you then can go in and then get the get the code immediately from when you purchase it, but you'll get it for free. So thank you very much for all your support, and we'll get back to you, and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.